In this session, we'll start to create a drawing of the L bracket shown here. Our first step is to define the drawing sheet. This is done by selecting the pull-down options, File, and then New. And then we'll click the radio button next to Drawing. We'll now key in L bracket for the name of the drawing. Now we'll uncheck the box to use the default template and then click on the OK button. Our drawing will be based on the part L bracket, so we'll not change this entry. Next, we'll click on the radio button next to Empty and then set the drawing size to A. Then we'll click on OK. The new drawing window has now opened. The next step is to add the first view of our part. This is done by selecting the Create a General View icon. Now we'll use the cursor to click at the location on the drawing sheet where the first view will be placed. The next step is to orient the part to produce the desired projection. This process is similar to working with Sketcher. We'll start by making sure that the view type is set to Front and then click on OK. We'll now turn off the datum planes and change the display type. And then use the pull-down options, Tools, Environment, in order to set the Tangent Edges Display option to No Display, and then click on OK. Now we'll click on the Redraw icon in order to clean up the display. In order to place the other views on our drawing, we'll first click on the front view, followed by clicking the right mouse button, and then selecting the Insert Projection View option. We'll now use the cursor to click to the right of our first view. We'll now repeat the process to define the top view. Finally, we'll place a rotated view in the upper right corner by again clicking on the Create a General View icon. We'll now click at the location to place the view, and then key in a scale of 0.5, and then we'll select OK. If we need to reposition any of the views, we'll first turn off the Lock View icon, followed by clicking on the view to be moved. Then we'll hold the left mouse button down while dragging the view to the desired position, and then release the mouse button to place the view.